So why is a court injunction so important during a labor dispute?
Quite often, a court injunction is required to limit the number of pickets or limit the length of delay on a picket line. So an injunction can be very important in assisting a company when the police are not responsive, and certainly restricting where pickets might be allowed to picket, how many and for how long, obviously making their operations more efficient during a stoppage or protest.
And typically, how long does it take to get a court injunction?
It's very dependent on what the pickets are doing. So what is critical to understand at the end of the day is you just won't get a court injunction simply because there's protesters. You will need to show that the police are unable or unwilling to respond, that you've got some irreparable harm occurring to your business operations, and certainly it'll need to meet a legal test. Typically what we found when pickets have been very, very aggressive is that usually in 2 to 3 days we've gathered sufficient evidence to turn it over to legal counsel, and they're able to make an application to the court for an injunction.